Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Ranch Simulator game not launching or not opening, won't start, stuck on black screen around PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first thing what you have to do is after you go to the library section and select your game, here you have to click on the play button and you will get two options, play Ranch Simulator option and play Ranch Simulator with TX11. So what you have to do is first check this one and then click on the play button and then check if the game is opening or not. If you cannot launch the game or you cannot play the game, you can select play Ranch Simulator with TX11 and then click on play button and then check if it's working. If the issue still continues, then here are few suggested methods that will surely help to resolve the problem. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So you have to make sure your PC have all the required specs that is required to play the game. You have to search for the game on Steam, and after that you have to go below and here you will find the system requirement to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Now here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, disable full screen optimization, select it and click on apply and OK, and after that try to open the game and check. But if this doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. So let me search for the game over here, it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or Amasa Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. Now click on Windows Update option, click on check for updates. It will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, after that launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it and click on yes. Now wait for some time. After it is finished, you will get setup successful message over here. Close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it. After that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, and then go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So you have to confirm it, and after that you have to log in to Steam once again, and then check if the game is opening or not. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option, search for a task manager. Now here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You have to select them, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. Now after that, close this and now launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Site opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that, you have to install it. Once you install this, now launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Similarly for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now add the game to the list. After adding the game, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, now launch the game and then check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Ranch Simulator game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your system restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Ranch Simulator game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not or the game is launching or not.